Selling your blog. How to find blog advertisers. There are several ways to monetize a blog. One of the most commonly used is by selling advertising space, either through text-based advertising or banner ads. But to do either of these, you will have to look for advertisers who will pay to have their ads placed on your web pages. If you're unsure on what to do and how to do it, here are tips to help you find blog advertisers to help you generate revenue with your website. Promote. Instead of just leaving possible banner ad locations blank, let advertisers know that they are up for grabs. Use Advertise here or your ad here texts to indicate their availability. When advertisers click on these areas, they will arrive on a page where information about buying ad space will be provided. Make sure that there is a web page that will be used for this purpose specifically. This page may either contain information about your terms, or it could be a link that will allow your advertiser to send you an email. Seek out advertisers actively. Other than openly promoting your blog for ads, you could also find blog advertisers by targeting them. That way, you get to choose who will place their ads on your blog. A standard letter of approach to advertisers should contain a brief introduction about yourself, a short explanation of the purpose of your email, a short explanation why you're soliciting their sponsorship or ads, a concise explanation of the benefits of placing ads on your blog, details regarding your advertising terms, type of ad placements, industry to which your advertisers belong, maximum number of ads in one web page, cost, method of payment, etc. Important details about your site, such as your subject matter, audience, number of traffic, etc. Offer sponsorship. Blog sponsorships are fast becoming a trend online, as the number of businesses utilizing blogs as an extension of their marketing efforts increases. Through sponsorship, you will be working closely with a company, your advertiser, and promote their products and services through your blogs. Your web pages will also carry that company's name, brands, and logo. You could also come up with a sponsorship deal wherein specific parts of your blog's content will be sponsored by the advertiser. This type of blog advertising works well if your site is quite popular already and has a considerable number of visitors. Do a keyword search. There are many companies and individuals using Google AdWords who might be interested in an arrangement with you. Do a simple keyword or key phrase search regarding major topics on your blog. Then seek out sponsored links and find out about the companies that pay for them. Get in touch with these people and offer your blog for their ads. Take advantage of links. Blogs and other sites that link with your blog are potential advertisers. If they find your blog interesting enough to link with, they might be open for negotiations regarding advertising. You might want to send them an email to let them know your blog is available for advertising. Tap people who use your forums or leave messages. Another way to find blog advertisers is to offer your ad spots to people who leave comments or messages on your blogs. Seek out people affiliated with a company, group, or association. They might be interested to buy ads on your blog.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.